Oh, I found a stud. He's right here. Dad's stud. So this is extendable. And you have the adjustment right here too as well for the angle of the TV. Pretty self-explanatory, not too hard. Just make sure you find the studs. All right, gang. Today what we're going to do is we're going to attach this TV to this back wall right here. So we're going to help my dad out with all this stuff. Let's see how it works out. Here's the TV. This is our wall. Here's the kit we're going to be using. This is what it looks like all put together. And then we're going to go ahead, looks like attach some of this to the back side. Here we go. Guys, the first thing that we're going to do is take these stands off. Let's see if we can get these off here. Looks like they're just kind of poked down in there. Get those stands off. All right, so what we figured out is we have to have these longer screws in here that we happen to have. And we're going to go ahead and position them so they're a little higher up on here. And we bolt these down first. That's it. So we need those smaller bolts. Those guys right there. Yeah, these guys. All right. So we've got it evenly. 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So we'll space it out like that. These guys go right here. I'm assuming. Mission accomplished. We have our bracket on the back of our TV done. Now we need to find the studs. So typically with televisions, what you want to do is you want to have it slightly above eye level. So you want to have your field of vision kind of going slightly above here is typically. So we want the TV ourselves here, then slightly above field vision would be kind of like right above that, like right on line with that socket right over here. So what we want to do is we probably want to do the center line of the TV right in that area. We found our center point right there, and that's going to give us kind of right here to this height. So all we need to do now is find the studs, right? Oh, I found a stud. He's right here. Dad's stud. There we go. We already have marked out, just kind of show you what we're doing. There we go. Find this one right here. Gonna come from the other direction. Gonna come right here. Definitely a stud. Let's try this other one. Definitely a stud. Good. So we did is drew out some lines vertically. Just make sure they're all nice and even Steven right here. These look good. Look at those. So that's nice and level right there, plumb. And then now all we need to do is go ahead and attach the thing, attach the mount. Now attach this mount. As you can see, this is what we're doing. All I got to do is take a little thing here. Get these off here. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. There we go, right there. All right, we have everything lined up. Our bottom of our TV is gonna sit about right there. That's 7 inches from up here. So we're gonna go ahead and drill out right here, and then also right here. This is the bolt we're gonna use. It's gonna sit in there flush with the bracket. And so the bracket's gonna sit on these 4 bolts right here. Now we'll go ahead and get this centered up. All right, drilling out the other side. It's bolted down. Everything looks really super solid. That thing is not going anywhere. That is hurricane proof right there. We're gonna go ahead and hang a TV here in a second. Let's do this. All right, here we go with hanging a TV, bro.
I'm gonna leave the room. I don't want to see it.
Go ahead. It's got to be on that. Yep, you got it. Attached. Okay, I think mission accomplished. I don't think he's going anywhere. Should be plumb, right?
Yeah.
Do you want it angled? Because we can angle it, I think.
Yeah, it needs to be angled down. Usually they say
Okay.
about 15 degrees.
No, just yeah, angle it however you want to do it.
I think that's fine.
Right there. You can always adjust it back here. All right, perfect. Mission accomplished. Looks good. Got the back here. So this is extendable. And you have the adjustment right here too as well for the angle of the TV. Pretty self-explanatory, not too hard. Just make sure you find the studs. And that concludes our installation. This looks really super good. Check it out. It looks really good. Yeah, I like this a lot. We're gonna have to do this at home too.